Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Understanding Morphology and Morpheme, Lecture 52. Let's discuss the topic. First, we will talk about what is morphology. The word morphology is derived from a Greek word morph, which means form or shape. The next point is the study of how words are formed or shaped in a language is known as morphology. In other words, it refers to the study of the internal structure of words. Further, we can say that morphology is about the study of the form of words or the structure of words. Briefly, morphology in linguistics is all about the study of the structure of words, the formation of words, the organization of words, how words are constructed, how words are made. Now let's understand another fundamental concept in the field of morphology, without which we cannot understand. What is that? It's morpheme. What is morpheme? Morpheme is fundamental. Morpheme is in the center of the discussion of the subject matter of morphology. It's a minimal unit of meaning or grammatical function. In other words, it's the smallest meaningful unit in the grammar of a language. Further, we can say a morpheme is what makes up words. So a morpheme carries the minimum weight of meaning. It has the minimum grammatical function. It is at least the minimal unit of meaning. A morpheme cannot be further divided into many other morphemes because that carries the minimal meaning or minimal grammatical function. Now let's understand this concept with the help of many examples. And the first example in this direction is number 1, examples of morpheme. Sometimes a morpheme functions as a word. How? Let's see. Play, it is a word. At the same time, it is a morpheme. Likewise, go, move, sleep, and read. They are words. At the same time, they are morphemes as well. Because these morphemes function as a word. Now let's have second examples of morpheme. What's that? Sometimes words have 2 or more morphemes within them. How? Let's see. Talks. And this word has 2 morphemes, talk and s. Let's have another example. Player. This word has 2 morphemes, play and er. Likewise, we have goes. We have the morpheme go and es. The next is a reading. We have the morpheme read and ing. Next, looked. We have the morpheme look and then we have another morpheme ed. So what we come to the point is that some words, they have 2 or more morphemes within them. Now move on to the third examples of morpheme. What's that? Many words have 2 or more syllables but only 1 morpheme. How? Let's see. Banana. How many syllables does this word have? 3 syllables. Banana. Likewise, we have apple. It has 2 syllables. Elephant. It has 3 syllables. Table. It has 2 syllables. Orange. It has also 2 syllables. So, what we come to the point is that many words have 2 or more syllables but only 1 morpheme. Now we move on to the fourth examples of morpheme. What's that? On the other hand, many words have 1 syllable but 2 morphemes. Wow, great. Let's see. Cats. It's 1 syllable. In one go you can speak, but it contains 2 morphemes. What are they? Cat and s. Likewise, talked. 1 syllable but contains 2 morphemes, talk and ed. Likewise, goes. 1 syllable, but we have 2 morphemes, go and es. Likewise, barked, we have bark, and the next morpheme is ed. Runs, we have run, and then we have s. So what we come to understand is that many words have 1 syllable, but 2 morphemes. To conclude the whole idea, what we understand is that thus, a morpheme does not necessarily have to be a word. The word cats has 2 morphemes. Cat is a morpheme and s is also a morpheme. Hope you understand the concept. What is morpheme? Thank you and goodbye.